Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the phase 2. Now we are going to learn. Listen and answer. Shadowing practice. Your English will improve. So let's begin. But before that, please like and subscribe. So let's begin.
Hello, Emily, I am Kevin. It's such a beautiful day to be here with you. Let's take a sit there. So how was your day? My day was kind of bad, but still okay.
Why?
In the morning, I woke up late. And after that, I quickly went to change my clothes. And I went for my office, but in the middle of there was so much rush. So I reached office 30 minutes, then my boss scolded me. After when I went for lunch to the canteen. Then I realized I didn't brought my wallet. I didn't have the lunch because Li was having $30 which were for my taxi. At evening. By the way, are you a student? Do you like it here? How long are you here? Where do you live? Do you live alone? Are you married? What time is it? What is the date?
It's 15th of December. It's 15th of December. It's 15th of December. It's 15th of December.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7:30 a.m. I wake up at 7:30 a.m. I wake up at 7:30 a.m. I wake up at 7:30 a.m.
What time do you have lunch?
I- Hello. Right now. Okay, I am coming. My friends are calling me for shopping. We will talk later.
Okay, can I get your number?
Okay, it's 12345 12345.
We will stay in touch.
Okay.
This was the end. This was the phase 2. In the next part, we are going to listen and answer. Please like and subscribe. Bye.